super quick and easy to make with the earthy taste of mushrooms in a delicious creamy sauce. This recipe all comes together in 15 minutes, which makes it a great meat-free meal for any day of the week. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. If you've been watching our channel for a while, you'll know that I struggle to get Chris to eat mushrooms, so this isn't really one for him. But personally, I love mushrooms, and I know that you guys do too, so I'm gonna make it anyway. So let's get cooking. We're gonna start by putting some water on to boil for the pasta. I'm using 300 grams, which is about 10.5 ounces of this thin egg fettuccine here. I really love fettuccine in a creamy sauce, but you can replace it with any pasta you like. You just need to cook it in boiling water as per the pack instructions. While the pasta's cooking, we're going to make the creamy mushroom sauce. So we're going to start by adding a tablespoon of unsalted butter to a pan. Along with that goes a tablespoon of oil, and then we're going to heat it over a medium heat. Once the butter's melted, add a finely diced onion to the pan and cook for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring often until the onions are just starting to soften. Once the onions have softened, we're going to add in an extra 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and that's because mushrooms absorb quite a lot of oil. Once that butter's melted, we're going to add in the mushrooms. I've got 400 grams, which is about 14 ounces of simple chestnut mushrooms here that have been thickly sliced. You can really use any type of your favourite mushrooms, and if you really don't like mushrooms, then sliced green peppers actually makes quite a good swap. Add the mushrooms to the pan. We're also going to add in 3 cloves of minced garlic, along with half a teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. Cook, stirring often for 3 minutes until the mushrooms are lightly softened. Now pour in 180 ml, which is about 3/4 of a cup of strong chicken stock, along with 180 ml, 3/4 of a cup again, of double or heavy cream. Stir everything together and bring it to the boil. Simmer gently for about 3 minutes until slightly thickened. By now the pasta should be ready, so we're going to drain the pasta, reserving about a cup of the pasta water. Add the pasta to the pan with the mushroom sauce. And now we're going to sprinkle over 50 grams, which is about half a cup of finely grated parmesan. Now if you're going full vegetarian, then you can use a vegetarian Italian style hard cheese instead of the parmesan. So now we're going to take a set of tongs and we're going to lift and drop the pasta in the sauce until the pasta is fully coated in the mushroom sauce. If you want to loosen up the sauce a little bit, then add splashes of the reserved pasta water into the sauce until the sauce consistency is to your liking. Just look at how luscious and creamy that pasta sauce looks. Divide between plates and top with chopped parsley and an extra sprinkling of black pepper and parmesan. And there you go, super simple to make and ready in under 15 minutes. And if you wanted to change it up a bit, you can always add in some cooked chicken and bacon. I'm looking at you, Chris. And if you like this meat-free pasta, be sure to check out my veggie pasta bake. See you next time.